didn't lose this. A flower for you, Barney.
Hi, everybody. And you brought a flower for me? Oh, thank you, Cammy. I'm sure it smells beautiful. Oh, it certainly Oh, that daisy was a doozy.
Here's a tissue for your nose, Barney.
Okay. Oh, that feels much better. Thank you, Whitney.
You're welcome.
Oh, very nice.
Hey, guys, look at this. Cammy's basket and the tissue box look kind of the same. Yeah.
Oh, you're right, Mario. They do look a lot like each other.
That's because I made my basket out of a tissue box just like this one.
Oh.
I glued on strips of green and yellow paper, then a handle to carry it with. See?
Oh,
Wow.
I think you used a lot of imagination.
Yeah.